मेरा नाम सौरभ है और मैं मानसूर में जयपुर में रहता हूँ। मेरे घर पे 2012 से सोलर पैनल इंस्टॉल्ड है और पहले काफ़ी दिक्कत आती थी बिकॉज ऑफ द डस्ट, बिकॉज द एनवायरनमेंट इज सो डस्टी हियर एंड पोल्यूशन प्लस लॉट ऑफ pigeons around there, so उनकी पिट्स निकल जाती थी, so it was very difficult to clean that panels. Uh, After I hear about the Goclean services, I have taken their services and it's really wonderful because they are really cooperative. They come in every 15 days to clean my panels. And after using their services for almost like more than 6 months now, I think the electricity efficiency काफ़ी बढ़ गई है and productivity in fact improve हुई है. The panels are clean and I would really recommend everyone to use this services. They are really cooperative and the staff is really wonderful. Thank you.